Hello everyone, this is Paul from Blues Lighting. First of all, we can see that it can bear 215 kilograms, and this is our new design. Yeah. This is the second one. The second one, it is also bear 250 kilograms. The most important, it is with the key. With the key, it is easy to fold down. The three, this is the third one. We can see that it is can bear 100 kilograms. This is new design also. And here is the key here. Press again. Press, fold down. Very easy to use. And the last here, it's a double one for moving headlight. If you like it, please feel free to contact with us. We're here for you.